We live in an era dominated by digital transformations, and yet, the method we use to verify our identities is steeped in antiquity. Our reliance on physical documents, each with its unique vulnerabilities such as loss, theft, or forgery, emphasizes the need for a more secure, efficient solution. Imagine a world where personal identities are verified through a decentralized system, leveraging the robustness and security of blockchain technology. Such a universal system of identity verification could revolutionize everything from our daily interactions to broader societal systems such as voting or international travel. With blockchain technology at its core, each individual's identity could be digitized and securely stored on the blockchain. Each personal identity would become a unique digital fingerprint, immutably inscribed into the blockchain's distributed ledger. This decentralized approach would shift control over personal data from corporations and governments back to individuals. The repercussions of such a system would be far-reaching. Voting could become more secure, transparent, and accessible, potentially increasing participation and reducing electoral fraud. International travel could be streamlined, with digital identity verification replacing physical passports and reducing administrative hassles. For the user, the experience would be vastly improved. Each individual could access and control their personal data, eliminating the need for physical documents. A person's identity could be instantly verified at any time, making interactions more seamless and convenient. Of course, the road to such a future is not without its challenges. These include issues such as the digital divide, technological adoption, and the need for robust legal and ethical frameworks. However, with the rapid pace of technological innovation, these obstacles can be overcome. In the realm of personal identity verification, the incorporation of blockchain technology could herald a profound shift. As we strive to navigate this new frontier, it's critical to remain focused on the potential benefits and opportunities, and the promise of a more secure, efficient, and user-friendly system of identity verification. As we journey towards this brave new world, we must seize the opportunity to shape a future that aligns with our shared vision of privacy, security, and digital inclusivity.